Hi guys, Rachel here, creator of Pragmatic Princess. I am here to talk about shipping. I wanted to do an unboxing video when I got my copies of the book, and that was my plan, but my books have got stuck at the border. For those who don't know, I live in Canada, and the books are printed in the United States, so there's things that have to happen to get them across the border. And also, I've been battling some kind of flu variant for the last couple days. But when I came down today to get a cup of tea, because I was sleeping, because I'm sick, somehow, somehow, a random book of 2 copies came. So I saw it, and I was caught off guard, and I opened it, and I was like, oh no, I meant to shoot an unboxing video. So instead, I'm going to show a video just showing you the product in person, because it's pretty incredible. I might be biased, but I think it's pretty incredible. First of all, here is the size. And I don't know if you can see the UV printing of the crowns on the front and the back. It has a really nice feel to it. It's really odd to see it in person. By odd, I mean awesome, obviously, but I was having like stress dreams that the pages would be printed upside down or like something would be missing. But thankfully, well, at least as far as I can tell, nothing is missing. Just want to give you a look at the inside. Randall did an incredible job illustrating and laying out the text for this book. And it shows. Like, the first thing I did when I picked it up is I flipped through and I was like, this is a beautiful book. And the paper feels really nice. We selected a paper that would have no fingerprint marks, so it would still be kind of glossy and feel good to the touch, but it wouldn't leave like all the marks of the little hands that are inevitably going to be like, look, the dog, or whatever. So it is about 200-ish pages, I forget exactly. It's also really nice because at the end of the book we had enough space to do a section about the science behind the writing. So this is the information that's on the website, buildyourown.castle.com. And it was also on the Kickstarter page that talks about like the rhyming scheme and the length of the stories and one bit behind like the different lessons and how it supports different kinds of development and symbolic models and all the psychology behind that. Because you can take the psychologist out of university, but you can't take the university out of the psychologist. And then there's reference to the list. I try to keep it brief. Acknowledgements and yeah. So all of the, not all of them, 90% of the orders going to North America have been shipped or have been labeled to be shipped. And so if you haven't received notice yet, you will in the next couple days. I also want to make a comment about the digital. I've gotten a few emails about people who purchased the All Things Digital package. Oddly, it's taking a little bit longer to get the digital version of the book completed than it did to get the physical book, which I know doesn't seem like the order in which things should go, but it is what it is. Those should be ready. The coloring pages and the digital copy of the book should be going out next week. So here it is. You guys did this. You brought this to life. I hope you love it. I hope you share your videos with me when you get them. I would love to see your reactions. I would love to hear your thoughts about what you think about the paper, the stories. You'll get to read them all now. Let me know who your favorite character is. My daughter's name is Zoe, so obviously Zoe the Zealous is one of her favorites. But tonight she really wanted to read, just to show you, this has become her favorite. Danielle, the Daring, has become her favorite. I think because she rides motorcycles, which is pretty sweet. And my daughter finds that very cool. So I'd love to hear what you think. Who's your favorite? Who are your kids' favorite? First thoughts? Unboxings? Yeah? All right. I guess that's all for now. You'll have your book soon. Bye.